that those cars are going to be here for a while, that the water is going into these lower apartments, and we just had a few families coming in and out with the help of the Addis Police Department and the West Baton Rouge Sheriff's Office. And this is really just one of those cool tools that we have over here that we're able to go through this water right now.
Yes, ma'am. And the water actually, what you're looking at now, the water has actually come down probably almost a good 4 to 6 inches from what it was at its highest stage. But it is receding pretty quickly. We hope it continues to get out of here. But we'll see. I was told that they had another little system possibly that may come through. But hopefully that will come to good.
So we are going to continue monitoring this area where we believe that the majority of people who need help have already gotten help.
Yes, ma'am. From what I was told.
So we're going to continue watching all of this. Of course, if you are in an area where you need to get out or water's coming into your home, please call officials. West Baton Rouge did get hit pretty hard with this flooding, even just from a morning's rain that you can see. This took a while for people able to come back home. But if you need assistance, call officials immediately. And if you don't have to leave and there's flooding in front of your home, we like to say it all the time, turn around, don't drown. And that goes with flooding. You never know how high this water can be. As you can see, we obviously can't see the road underneath us. You don't know what you could be running over. You don't know if there's any visible potholes. You don't know if you're on the street or you're on the grass. So really just stay put if you can. Don't go into flooding waters. If you need assistance, call assistance. I'm going to go ahead and send it back to y'all. Reporting live in Addis, going on to WBRZ News Today. Okay,
On the way back, we're going to do the same thing.
Okay.
See, you nailed it, man.
I tried.
Hey, you know I got to get you the hook up, man. You holding me down. I got to give you a shout out. And right, we go. We're going to do the same thing going back at 12:30.
I didn't know. And because they had actually tried to talk to everybody with that. Got to learn how to keep your balance in the truck. I don't know. No. I just know they took out about 3 feet or so more. But I don't know the amount.
Do you know how much it's flooded?
We're going to sit here and wait.
They said roughly from what I was told.
You go say smile when you're on. I see. I told you. I hooked you. They said always take care of people who take care of you.
Was this just the rainstorm, or was it combined with the groundwater that was here from the storms up north?
No, I don't see. I mean, I know the waters are high right now.
Man, she's pretty smooth on
everything here drains.
On the camera.
A natural.
Yeah, you heard it.
So they enter the water.
See, there ain't none out here.
Ain't none out here.
But I think the ground, the ground is a little separated. There's much more water on the ground. They just dumped a lot of stuff here at the time. And this is when you go for it. Time enough to rain out. I think I might have told you, I think the mayor told me that we have looked at all the food. So I don't know how accurate that is.
About how many people have been rescued so far?
Around 40 people. And they did have a few things that decided to stay. more people have been taken out.
What were some of the calls? What did they sound like? Were they frantic?
I really don't know. I didn't get any calls. To be honest with you, I don't know if any calls that actually died because the officers this morning saw the flooding starting to occur, and the sheriff's office also they came to the high water dam. So I don't know if any calls occurred from dispatch or if they were already out here checking on people. And once it started getting in some of these apartments and stuff, they started helping take some people out if they wanted to.
Because I waited long.
Can you talk more about how this has not happened in this area before, this badly?
We've had a few flooding issues in the past. I mean, nothing this serious, especially in this area. The water has come up before, but I've never seen it come up this high. But when you get such a large amount of rain in such a short period of time, it just doesn't have nowhere to go for it. I've been here since 2003 with Addis and Brusly, and I haven't seen it come this high in this area since.
What are you feeling like when you see all this?
I feel bad for the families, the ones that are going to be displaced for a short period of time until at least they get some of these apartments renovated and cleaned out.
I'm coming up do more stuff with you, man. You over there rolling. You know what I'm saying? Coming up do more stuff with you, man. You be rolling. You saw you wasn't a politician back in the day?
I don't like looking at myself on TV. I'm not a politician. I am a politician because I am elected, but I'm not a politician.
And you know what I'm saying? Because you speak too well.
The way I look at it, just
Yes, I tell people that all the time.
Do what's right for the right reasons.
I tell them that all the time. My 30 years over here, I don't see them come and go.
Oh yeah.
You don't have to think about something you know already. I tell them that all the time. You're going to interview, if you know it, you don't have to think about it.
Right.
So, you know, it's going to come out. If you're trying, because you confuse the brain,
Yeah.
because you're trying to control something up there, instead of letting it flow, now you're going to have it a certain way it should come out.